Hi there, welcome to Codemaster Labs, your one-stop shop for all things coding. Whether you are a beginner just starting your coding journey or an experienced developer looking to level up your skills, we have got you covered. Here at Codemaster Lab, we break down complex coding concepts into easy to understand tutorials, share insightful tips and tricks, and explore the latest technologies shaping the future of software development. So grab your favorite beverage, get ready to code, and let's dive in. This is the official website of HTMX. Okay, so you have a quick start guide here. Over here you can able to find that. So we'll go to documentation part first. We'll see the documentation. Before going to documentation, let's open our XAMPP and run our server. Let's go to htdocs and let's delete all the old files, and let me rename the folder as Codemaster, and then what we'll do, we'll open it in our Visual Studio Code. So once we have opened, we will just create few files. In this we will create index.php, where we'll write a simple basic HTML code, okay, where we'll use h1 tag, h2 tag, and a simple button. The concept will be like when we click a button, Ajax is performed. I'll show in network and all. Ajax is performed, whether it might be get method or post method or put method or get delete method, or what other methods are available in HTMX. I'll show you. So we'll just click it out, and a random number need to be generated, and it need to be displayed over the screen without reloading the page. That's the simple U technology, or what we call simple Ajax call, which we will be using over this tutorial. So I have already created an h2 h3 tag. I'll create a simple button where click me button I'll be having, and once it is done, so we'll create one random.php. We'll create one page of random.php where what we'll just write an echo of generate echo like random 1 to 50 or 1 to 100. So we'll just do that. Okay, simple code. So here I have used to generate a random number from between 1 to 100, in between that, and that's it. Okay, whenever we click here, we need to get that. So for that, let's install the package of HTMX. So installation you can do either CDN, or you can download the file and keep it in the local server. I'll download the file. That's a simple way, because sometimes server might not be available or it might go down. So that's the reason I have just saved it. So that's it. I have created this file and all. Now what we need to do, we need to first go and let's check the Ajax, how many attributes are there. All the HTMX attribute starts with hx. So you have get method, post method, I have already shown. So we'll use get method and we'll write the file name where it is there. So then we need to mention the trigger on when it should get triggered. So on click it should get triggered, or on mouse hover it should need to get triggered. So we'll write trigger and we'll write as click. You can always give delay as well, so those things also it is accepted. So no need to write extra codes and all. So next you will be a target where you need to display your results. So that's the next part which you require it. See, all your tags are starting, HTML tags are starting with hx. Okay, so these are attributes, not tags. These are attributes. Attributes starts with hx. So all the HTMX attribute starts with hx. Okay, so I've gave the tag. What tag is done. You can always use like what kind of click you want, control click you need or what. So those things. We'll also use this, check this hx swap. What is swap? Outer HTML, inner HTML. If you know about jQuery and all, then you will be knowing about this thing. So let's open Codemaster file, simple HTML. Now I am clicking it out, nothing is going to happen. You can see the network and all, click, nothing is going to happen. Why? Because we have not yet installed that script of HTMX. Okay, so you can see the console, nothing, no errors. Okay, Now what we will do, we will just go with all the files, whether it has been completely written perfectly or not. Okay, everything is clear. Now I will just add now the what we call script. Okay, so script is added, min.js. So now you reload the page. Now everything is fine. Now whenever I click, I am getting 37 because I am getting a response, Ajax response. You can see the in network, I am getting the Ajax response as 37, and that's the reason I am getting. Now since I have mentioned it as a outer HTML, so the div tag, the result div tag is gone. Okay, the div tag of class result is gone. So if you write inner HTML here, now it will be inside that div tag. Okay, now if you see, it is mentioned inside the div tag, the value. You can always change whatever the output you want, like you want to write it as h1 tag. If you want to give h1 tag, need to be inside the div, and all you can add them, you can concatenate it, and then you can display it. So this is how you need to, you can use your Ajax function. Okay, simple, without writing a single jQuery or JavaScript code. Okay, so swap, you have, how I know this, in inner HTML, outer HTML, you have all the attribute values and its description. You can go through that and you can do these things. Okay, always remember, you need to always write you need to get post, then trigger and target, and swap is optional. Okay, post, trigger and target are mandatory. Okay, I'll show you with delay as well. If you write a delay with 1 second or 2 seconds, you'll get after 1 second. It is not showing right now. Why? Because I've not reloaded it. So what I'll do, I'll just reload the page. Okay, so once it is reloaded, you can able to see like 10 seconds is more, like more time, so it is taking more time. So we will just decrease it out a little bit, and then we will refresh the page. So now you got it. So I'll decrease it by 5 seconds. 5 seconds is also will take some more time. So it is like taking some 5 seconds is also a little bit more. I'll give it like 2 seconds. Okay, and then refresh 1, 2, you got your answer. That's it. Okay, that's how you can implement this complete thing. Thanks for watching this video on Codemaster Lab. We hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more awesome coding content. Don't forget to leave a comment below with your thoughts and any questions you might have. We are always here to help you on your coding journey.